In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a start date in Asana. Setting a start date on your tasks is really helpful when you want to plan not just when something is due, but when you should actually begin working on it. This can make your schedule more realistic and prevent everything from piling up right before the deadline. Let's walk through how to do this step by step. First, open Asana and go to the project where your task lives. Once you're in the project, look for the specific task you want to update. This might be something like a piece of content to create, a design to review, or any task you're managing. Click directly on the task name to open its detailed view. This will usually open a panel on the right side of your screen where you can see all the task information like the assignee, due date, description, and subtasks. With the task details open, look for the field that shows the due date. It typically appears near the top of the task, close to the task title and assignee. Click on the current due date or on the due date area if one hasn't been set yet. This will open Asana's date picker, which is the small calendar window where you usually choose when a task is due. Inside this date picker, you'll see an option labeled Start Date. It might appear as a small link or button near the top or bottom of the calendar. Go ahead and click on Start Date. As soon as you do this, the calendar will let you select a beginning date for your task in addition to the due date. Now, choose the day you realistically want to begin working on this task. You can select any date that makes sense for your schedule, but it's a good idea to pick something that gives you enough time before the due date to complete the work without rushing. After selecting your start date, make sure your due date is still correct. The start date should come before the due date so the timeline is clear. Once both dates look good, simply close the date picker. Asana will now display both the start date and the due date on your task. That's all you need to do to add a start date in Asana and give your tasks a clearer,